Your portfolio might not be shining right now, but chill, big improvements are coming your way. I'm about to lay out the step-by-step plan to boost a coin's value and secure mind-blowing gains. Let's be real, Pump Fund isn't going to take your meme coin anywhere. It's time to cut your losses and find a better play. Jump over to Photon and browse Pump Fund's DEX. It's an absolute swamp of useless tokens. Just launched coins like Pinkzilla and Cats are already history. The whole situation is wild. Pump Fund's setup makes it ridiculously easy to churn out garbage coins. That's why Pump Fund isn't good for launching your token. Swing by Raydium's interface, and you'll see the madness up close. Just 4 fresh coins dropped in 7 minutes, but the buying pressure is unreal. Look at the market cap and liquidities, they're through the roof. Here's what matters. Getting a meme coin launched on Raydium takes serious skill. That's why only true contenders make it, bringing in heavyweight investors. That's the power of Raydium. Want to learn the ropes? All right, hear me out. LaunchTool has completely revolutionized how things work on Raydium. Forget those coding headaches now. You can whip up a meme coin in under 5 minutes. I've been crushing it with this tactic, pulling in daily profits consistently for a solid 30 days straight. Let's start by designing the logo. First up, fire up Canva, create a new project sized 128 by 128 pixels, and you're off to a great start. I like soccer, so this time I'll base it on FC Barcelona because they are the best team. After a few rapid adjustments, download your logo and continue. It's all set easy as that. Logo set? Great. Now, open up LaunchTool and link your wallet. Your next step is to choose a token name and a symbol. I've chosen Barcelona for the name and Barca for the symbol. Since a description isn't required, I'm not filling that in, but you can easily customize it to your preference. Once everything's ready, upload your logo, click Next. Don't fiddle with the preset supply or decimal settings, leave them as they are. Just keep going. Here's a quick pro tip. Skip entering any creator info, uncheck that option, and pocket 0.1 Solana. What about the social media links? They're simply not worth your time when launching on Raydium, so just ignore them. One essential heads up. Disabling the 0.3 Solana protection will tank your credibility faster than you can say launch. Keep all the default settings intact, and then go ahead and smash that Launch My Token Now button. You're almost there. Simply wait for a moment and approve the transaction in your wallet. And just like that, your token is officially live on Solana. Now, head over to SolScan to double check that everything is spot on. Everything's verified on SolScan, so let's roll. The next step is setting up your liquidity pool, and trust me, you can't afford to skip this. Without it, your token will end up as nothing more than an unordered digital artifact that pushes everyone away. Let's get rolling. Head back into LaunchTool and hit the Create Liquidity Pool option. It will automatically take you over to Raydium. First up, register your meme coin as the base token, copy the token address from LaunchTool, pasting it in, and entering your selected name and symbol. Then click Add User Token to make it live. Take 900 million from your 1 billion token supply and push it right into liquidity. Use Solana as your quote token and max out your allocation, but don't forget to save 0.2 Solana for transaction fees. You don't want to come up short. Being the creator gives you full power, so you can't lose. Dial in a 2% fee to lock in automatic returns. Do a final review, press Initialize Liquidity Pool, wait for a moment, confirm the transaction in your wallet, and congrats. Your token is officially launched and ready to move. Your token just hit Photon's homepage. Congrats, it's popping off. As trading volume spikes and hype builds, you've got to stay sharp and watch the charts. I'll teach you pro-level moves to stay ahead. Head to dexscreener.com and pull up any token chart to begin. Next, jump over to LaunchTool, copy your token address, and paste it into DexScreener's search bar, replacing the default entry. Now your live chart is visible. Your next move? Wait for buyers while closely monitoring liquidity. Also, keep hitting refresh on Raydium's portfolio in standard mode until your balance appears. It might take a few minutes, but it's coming. Our first good buy is over $41. This boosts our liquidity to $462 and our market cap to $286 in just 2 minutes. Let's wait for more buyers. Another good buy for more than $45, which leaves our liquidity at $544 and our market cap at almost $400 in just 5 minutes. Boom! Our best buy came in for almost $140. We have a liquidity of $632 and a market cap of $529 in less than 10 minutes. Now is a good time to take out the liquidity pool. First, load Raydium's portfolio and set it to standard view. That's where your actual balance shows up. Tap the minus symbol, slide the bar fully to 100%, and review your complete liquidity pool allocation. Keep an eye on the Solana value. It determines your cash out amount. Hit remove liquidity, approve the wallet confirmation, and your funds are safely transferred. Cash Factory working overtime. Take a look at your wallet and smile. Just flipped my stack in record speed. Best part? Anyone can do this. Keep running this play until your grandkids are rich. This strategy is a rare gem, but time is running out. Take advantage while it lasts. It's strictly for learning purposes with zero platform ties. Want fast profits? This market loophole is the ultimate opportunity. Act fast before it disappears. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and like the video, share it so no one misses this opportunity.